easy, and that is your easy question. Thank you so much. Next candidate. Ate. Para lang maganahan mo sa atong Christmas party at i-advance kung sa atong mga prizes, natay mga food bags, natay 5 kilos of rice, and at the same time, natay 25 kilos of rice. Additional more mga gifts na gusto of box, and ito na ilang major prizes for you guys. Now to officially start our Christmas party this afternoon, to welcome us, may I call in